guys, welcome to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss. Haha, hey. I'm a New York City hairstylist and performer, and I've been in lockdown since March. Yay! Which means I've been pondering up some crazy things, like the Dystopian future. And what does that look like? Well, if you want to know, you could totally check out my Instagram or my Facebook, Give Your Hair a Kiss, and check out some of the looks that I've done thus far with my squirrely little brain stuff. Speaking of squirrely little brain stuff, I've been pondering a lot about Halloween and what that's going to look like this year with everything that's going on. But I feel like, I still want to do a bunch of looks. So welcome to the Rose Tint My Halloween series. What is Rose Tint My Halloween? So I've come up with a few costume, concept, makeup, hair ideas that are all centered around making sure my microphone is on. All centered around my signature color, pink. Hydrate, y'all. It's sexy. So those of you who know me know I am a huge Power Rangers fan, and I came up with this idea of this Mad Max style dystopian future Pink Ranger. So I've got costume and cosplay stuff that I'm gonna show you guys. But I was thinking how can I do a makeup look that says Pink Ranger? So I took the helmet design and came up with this makeup design, and I'm gonna try to do it with you guys. I've got some sketches and was like, this could work. So we're gonna have some fun with some makeup and some hair. I'm still not sure where this is going today. What I do know is that it's filthy, and I have no intention of doing anything about it today. Yay! Let's jump right into it, okay? Glasses are while I'm talking, I could be priming. Little bit of e.l.f. poreless primer. Yeah. So I had this idea that the Pink Ranger was this kind of Furiosa, Mad Max style character, a little sprinkling of a Grace Jones, very definitive feature, very bold. Okay, start with sketches, which is doing a self-portrait every time, and you're like, oh my god, have I always been this ugly? Yes, I have. shiny. Okay, great. I'm gonna hit a little highlight and we are done, and I can go put on the rest of the outfit, which I'm so excited about because I made just about every piece of it. Like even the leggings I have died. Oh, I died. Emulating the Pink Ranger's helmet in a dystopian future style. Now I'm gonna go put on the costume. For joining me for Rose Tint My Halloween, the Pink Halloween series for the Dystopian future. Remember to like, subscribe, tell a friend, leave some feedback, whatever. Tell me about what you're doing for your Halloween. We'll have a great time. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Give your hair a kiss. Don't forget to check out my website for beauty products and exclusive offers, giveyourhairakiss.com.